Hey guys, thanks for watching the Jerry Rigger channel, the place where you can tell us it can't be done and we'll figure out a way to do it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's get started. Alright, so welcome to another episode of the Jerry Rigger channel. Alright, today's episode, I had that lawnmower is missing the mud flap, I guess you'd call it, the one that protects you from all the flying debris coming back and hitting you. I've got one that I took off of here, and as you can see, this lawnmower deck's completely rusted out, and this was sitting right here, right? So I'm taking this off of here, and I'm gonna bolt it on to that one. In order to do that, I got to drill some holes. So that's what I'm doing now. See, already drilled a hole right here, and I'll drill a hole on the other side as well. Just note, you don't really want to leave your lawnmower tilted up in this position for very long because the oil's trying to loop by that cylinder right now, by that piston right now into the combustion chamber, and it will make your mower a little hard to start if you leave it this way for too long. That'll work, at least for now. Better than getting hit in the shins with all the crap that's flying around. Alright, so I did reuse the screws from the red lawnmower. They were self-tapping screws, so that made it easy just to screw them right into the holes that I drilled. I also brought the flap down to the bottom edge of the tires so they would catch anything that got kicked back that way. And I saved myself about 20 bucks and a lot of time waiting for the part to come in. So I'm back to mowing the lawn now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.